Thanks for joining me today. I'm Ms. Nene and welcome. Welcome to Ms. Nene's Art. Thank you so much for being here today. So today, I'm really excited because today, well, first things first. Today I'm working on a round canvas, a 16 by 16 inch canvas. Picked this up at Hobby Lobby the other day. 2-3 days ago, they had a 50% off sale. I don't know if it's still going on, but I picked up a few of these, so I'm going to be working with this today. And I had requested in my previous video, not the one before this one, for color choices. And one of my followers, Yvonne Rivera, hi Yvonne, I decided to pick out of the two. You suggested either Northern Lights or Peacock colors. So I'm going to go with the Peacock colors today. So I hope this turns out beautiful. I'm really excited about these colors. So that's what I'm going to be using. The colors I'm going to be using for my Peacock colors, the base I'm going to use will be Violet by Master's Touch. And the other colors will be Grass Green by Master's Touch. And you know what? These were also 50% off. Wait, was it 50? Yeah, I believe it was 50% off at Hobby Lobby. I've never seen them 50% off. They were usually they're 30% off, but I got it for 50% off a couple days ago at Hobby Lobby. So Grass Green, Ultramarine Blue, I'm going to be using this. Also from Master's Touch, Gold, FolkArt Emerald Flash, and Arteza Pearl Turquoise. So these are the colors I'm going to, I can't even talk today, I'm so tongue-tied. So these are the colors I'm going to incorporate into my Peacock theme today. Now, before I start that, I have an announcement to make. So first, you guys know that I did reach 1,000 subscribers and I met my requirements for monetization, 4,000 watch time hours. And for that, I want to give a giveaway. There's going to be more information on that. So be sure to make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that, because it's going to be a big giveaway. There's going to be one main prize winner and one follow-up. So don't miss that, because I'm going to be putting some nice stuff in that grand prize. Second, ta-da, I designed some coloring books. And they came in the mail the other day. And so I want to show you. So they're Miss Nene's Art Adult Coloring Book. Here's one of them. And it's got 60 pages. Color away your stress. And believe me, coloring can relieve stress. Here are the pages, a little bit inside to see what it is. I am so in love with these coloring books. You can spend hours just coloring in these beautiful images. So I put this together and they're now available on Amazon. Love it. That's one. And Bible verses and inspiring quotes adult coloring book. Here's another one that I made. They have a lot of really inspiring phrases. Like this one says, what does it say? Lord, you establish peace for us. So there's Bible verses and there's quotes inside this coloring book. Really, really inspiring and beautiful. I love this one. I'm gonna color all these, you know. And then my last one is the Zodiac coloring book. It has 25 images of different zodiac signs, all of them actually. We got Aquarius on this side and Aquarius on this side. corresponding with Pisces and Pisces on this side. And it goes all the way to the very end with all the zodiacs. So Gemini, that's me, Gemini. So yes, these books are going to be available. They are available now actually, and they're on Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description for you. I think I have them all just going for $6.99 each. Yeah, I really am excited about this. So if you are interested in getting yourself a coloring book, and I hope you are, I will leave the link for you in the description below. So enough of that. Let's get started. Okay, I think I am done. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you in for a close-up, and then I will show you the dry results. This turned out really pretty. I love all these colors. Okay, so here it is. Wow, I love this. The green, the different shades of it, the gold, the blue, all the colors that are associated with the peacock. I did my research, but this is a beautiful combination of colors, I think. Thank you, Yvonne, for the request. I love how this turned out. Let me know what you think about this one. Look at that. I don't think any touch-up is needed. I can't wait to see how this dries. Okay, well, I'll be back with the dry results. Okay, so here it is. It's not fully dry, but I love how it turned out. I love all these different colors of the peacock. And I researched different colors, and I found that there was a lot of different colors in these birds. So I picked the most common ones, the ones that I thought was really pretty. And this is what I came up with. There's some areas on this painting that got a little bit muddy, but even the muddy colors are still colors that I've seen in various peacocks. So I'm happy with it. And it's going to get a coat of resin once this is fully dry, and it's really going to pop then. So thank you, Yvonne, for picking out my colors for this painting. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate all you for being here and watching. And don't forget to check out the links to my coloring books. I'm so proud of them, and I hope that you decide to give them a try too. So next video will be coming up next will be another resin project. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.